120,000 a month, I guess I know they don't. That's the reason for my uncontrollable falling right now. You could be scared to walk in the store, I pay the price now. My life is too valuable for me to play the night now. Of course, it's gonna be some niggas who gon' think I changed. They find it guilty simply cause now I got diamonds on everything. I'm out in my making rain. I'm racing my head. I'm about my business, don't give me my cash and give me my check. See how you vividly remember me and Trey on the block. Even more than nothing, sometimes we had to stay on the block. Eat, sleep, shit, rich, pray on the block. To make it through the night to see another day on the block. When Rock got us full pockets, plus not that I thought. But now money be coming in wise like flies. Let's go have on the yacht. I got the pot, you got the chicken fried steak. I can't even hear you haters, you been moving my heart. Yeah, I can't let nobody hold me down. Those could never hold me. Hey, cause a drunken guy playing so right. Kings of the South, cause I'm chopping plays and playing amazing. Bitches, they can't sleep like some balls in this motherfucker. In this thing is so demanding. Look on if this rap shit would take me far. At 18, I had a $50,000 car. I went to take the Benz, but not the regular kind. Now I'm smoking hydro, not the regular kind. I spit one freestyle, now I'm rocking plugs. Got the diamonds in your face, I was copping dubs. I had to make the transition from a boy to a man. So if you own a 16, that's 40 grand. Rappers talk a lot of shit, but you ain't stopping us. Look, you don't wanna bump heads with a mafia. Look, you don't know shit about UGK. All Mr. Fat Fat and
What's up, man? It's your boy Zero King of the Ghetto, the most of the Dot Road Man Girls. Right now, tuned in to the THETXPLUG.com.
We popping trucks on Cadillacs. Oh boy, I can't let nobody hold me down. These folks could never hold me. Cause I'm coming down.
Playing surround and living.
When we chopping on that song, cause we chopping plays.
Playing maze and bitches just can't stand it.
Hey, keep on getting this game.
And this thing is so
Say smokes up here. Say smokes up here. Say smokes up here. Say smokes up here. What it say, hey? Hold up. Bitch, I
just don't wanna stop.
Rest in peace, PMC. Rest in peace, PMC. I know they don't give a fuck about me. I promise I'll be happy alone. They couldn't take me to stay on these streets. My attitude is leave me the fuck alone. I know they don't give a fuck about me. Yeah. I promise I'll be happy alone. Whether you see me on TV or these streets. I'm not a rapper, homie, I'm just living. How the fuck can they love me if they out there in the streets talking down? Man, how the fuck can they love me if they look at my money like it's not mine? Hold up. Homie, I come from the street, live my life by the rules. If I owe you, I'm gon' get you, might be 10 years due. Guarantee you to be a visit if you fuck with my food. Smile in my face and stare me in my back, that's what busters do. Me, I go along with the fuckers and crew. It's a bunch of people that want me to do what they want me to do. I don't take orders, if anything, I'ma give them bitches. You must have thought by having my child, you guaranteed to get bitches. Shit, I told you last album to go ahead and file on me. Hate me so bad, I know it hurts you to see a smile on me. Oh, I'm a boss, you're trying to talk to me like I'm a tree. 120,000 a month, I guess I know they don't give a fuck about me. I promise I'll be happy alone. You see me on TV or these streets. My attitude is leave me the fuck alone. I know they don't give a fuck about me. I promise I'll be happy alone. Whether you see me on TV or these streets. I ain't no rapper, nigga. Oh,
Yo, what's up, man? It's your boy Zero King of the Ghetto, the Mo City Don, the wrote the Vandross. And right now, you tuned in to the THETXPLUG.com. Touch.